Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you tips and tricks and hidden feature on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! You might consider yourself a complete whiz when it comes to Apple Macs, and you're here wondering if we can teach you something you didn't know, or perhaps you would say you're a complete novice and you're only recently bought a Mac because they look pretty, but in reality, you have absolutely zero idea how to use it. Don't worry, you wouldn't be alone. In this video, I will show you tips, tricks, and also hidden feature on Mac. So let's get started. So the first tips and tricks that I will give you in here on Mac, there is a widgets feature on your Mac that you can edit. Where is it? You can just tap in here on your menu bar on the up right corner of your screen. You can just click on that. In here, you can customize your widget. Widgets are a super cool feature that Mac users have at their fingertips. There essentially many apps that sit on your desktop and give you quick access to frequently used information or tools. Think of Mac widgets as a little helpers that can save you time and simplify your digital life. So how to edit? You can edit your widget in here by scroll down. There is an option edit widgets. You can just click on that. Click on edit widgets. So in here you can add or remove widget on Mac that you want to add to your MacBook desktop. You can add your, maybe you want to remove for the screen time. You can remove the screen time in here by just clicking here and replace it with your clock or items or people. You can, maybe for the example, we'll add for my reading list in here. I'll put my reading list. So it's so simple, right? You can just add or remove your frequently used apps on your Mac on your widgets. After that, after you customize your widget, you can customize your menu bar and also your dock on your MacBook. How to do it? So here's the hidden customization. You can just hide your menu bar on your Mac if you want to see the full screen on your MacBook. You can just hide the menu bar on your MacBook. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to dock and menu bar section. Click on dock and menu bar. And in here on dock and menu bar, there is an option automat automatically hide and show the menu bar on desktop. You can just checklist on that and you'll find the menu bar on your MacBook screen will be disappear. And if you want to show it, you want to open your menu bar, you can just do like this, your pointer, like this. So the menu bar will be appeared. And also you can hide your uh, dock in here by checklisting it. So now you have full screen on your MacBook. You want to show your dog, you can just slide your pointer to the bottom of your screen so the dog will be appear. And also for the menu bar. So simple, right? And also you can show your better percentage on your MacBook. But before that, I will show the menu bar first. We still on the dock and menu bar section on your system preferences. You can just scroll down. You can just choose on battery. There is an option show percentage. You can just checklist on that. So now you can see the percentage of your battery life on your MacBook. So you don't need to, if you want to see the percentage of your MacBook battery, you don't need to click on the battery like this. You can just straight up see on it. So simple, right? Now, after that, we can go to wallpaper or desktop background on your MacBook. MacBook have dynamic wallpaper, so we can open the system preferences. You can go to desktop and screensaver. Wallpapers on your Mac don't have to look the same all day. If you're running any software from macOS Mojave onwards, you can set dynamic wallpaper that automatically adapt to the time or your system theme. Apple includes bunch of wallpapers by default, but most of these are graphic and only some are actual photos. You'll probably soon find yourself wishing for more options. So here's the dynamic desktop that you can choose, that you can set on your MacBook screen. For example, let's choose on it. So the dynamic wallpaper is automatically adapt to the time or system on your MacBook like this. So simple, right? And also, if you have difficulty using a mouse or trackpad, you can use your head pointer on your Mac. So how to enable this feature, how activate, how to use it. You can open your system preferences on your MacBook and you can go to accessibility. You can go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can just scroll down. There is an option pointer control. You can just tap on that. Choose on alternate control methods. There is an option enable head pointer. You can just checklist on that. So now you have enabled your head pointer on your MacBook. So head pointer lets you move the pointer on your screen using the movement of your face or head as detected by the camera that built into or connected to your Mac. For example, if you move your head to left, the pointer follows in that direction on the screen. So now I am moving my pointer using my head. And you can customize in here. You can just click on options. So you can manage, you can adjust the pointer speed. And for the action, you can use switch or facial expression to pause or resume the head pointer on your MacBook. And also in here, you can use switch or facial expression to recalibrate an agent. Let's checklist on it, and you can just click on assign. For the facial expression, choose on facial expression. You can choose smile, open mouth, stick out tongue, raise eyebrow, blink, scrunch nose. So there's so much facial expression that you can choose to trigger the action, to perform the action on your MacBook head pointer. Let's choose on smile, choose on OK. So simple, right? And if you want to disable this feature, no, you no longer use the feature, you can just disable it. So simple, right? So that is the tips and tricks and also the hidden feature on your Mac. And also, you can customize your folder on your Mac. How to do it? So here's the example. You can just click right on the folder and there is an option quick action. You can just click on customize. You can add like extension, photos, editing, share menu, finder, and here you can rotate left And if you open your Finder, you can click right in here. You can customize your toolbar on your Finder, like you can add actions on the toolbar or move action on your toolbar. And if you open it, click on the three dots over here. You can choose on show view options. You can customize your folder color or folder icon in here, like this. So that is the tips and tricks and also the hidden feature on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.